Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAPL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, after today's movement, really two main levels stand out. So my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to really apply the KISS method here. Keep it simple, stupid, because there's two main levels that a whole lot of people are going to be watching. And when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can certainly produce some very dynamic movements. And that's what we have with each of these levels. And one level just got even more noticeable, even though it had already been noticeable, and that was this green line right here at 126.75. And I've talked about this in past videos, but I mean, check it out. Price has already bounced off there 3 times, and then surprise, surprise, look right where the price came down and bounced off again, right at that level. The power of charts. And again, one of those levels that so many people are, I mean, there was already a bunch of people watching it, but now seeing that movement, that many more people are watching it, which doesn't make it a guarantee of anything. But my core point here is that it is a more than valid, it's a more than plausible thought to have that if the price were to come back down to that area and then break down through it, that break in and of itself could produce quite a bit of downside selling pressure. Again, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen, but that is, a more than valid thought if that level comes into play again and the price ultimately falls back below it. On the flip side of things, as far as areas of resistance, key level to watch is all about that purple line right there, which on my chart denotes the 50-period simple moving average. You can see the price has been up around there a few times and hasn't been able to quite push above it. Current value of that is, let's just call it right up there at the $130 mark. So moving forward, KISS method, like I said, 126.75 key level of support, 130 key level of resistance. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.